To begin, open the Facebook app on your phone. Next, tap the search icon located at the top right corner. You'll now see a list of your recent searches, with the most recent displayed at the top. Tap the three dots next to the search result you wish to pin. A menu will appear from the bottom. Select Pin this search. The search will be pinned to the top of your recent searches, and a pin icon will appear next to it to indicate it has been successfully pinned. You can pin up to 3 searches at a time. Each newly pinned search will appear above the previously pinned ones. If you want to unpin any search, simply tap the pin icon next to it. From the pop-up menu, select Unpin this search. The search will be unpinned and removed from the pinned section, returning to its original position in the recent searches list. And that's how you can easily pin and unpin your recent searches on Facebook.